Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. It's the second day tour here in Tbilisi, Georgia, and I choose to spend this day going to Signahi, City of Love, because it's actually my 30th plus birthday today. Yay! How time flies so fast. I'm with Nina, who's going to be my private tour guide and a newfound friend as well. Well, going to Signahi takes us more than 1 hour from the city. It was a fine day with a cold breeze reaching up to 4 degrees Celsius, but that won't stop us to see the Bodbi Monastery. How nice it feels to visit the church on my birthday. Bodbi Monastery is a Georgian Orthodox church located 2 km from the town of Signahi, Kakheti, Georgia. Originally built in 9th century, now a convent for nuns. It is one of the most visited pilgrimage sites due to Saint Nino, who first brought Christianity in Georgia. Her body can be found inside the monastery. Hi. The Georgian town of Signahi is located in the eastern part of Kakheti and is known as the City of Love. Why? Because according to Nina, there is one church that is operating 24 hours for couples who just decided to get married. Isn't that cool? Signahi serves as a popular tourist destination due to its location at the heart of Georgia's wine-growing regions, as well as picturesque landscapes, pastel houses, and narrow cobblestone streets. The defensive city walls was built in 1770 to protect Signahi, making it nearly the largest of the remaining or restored Georgian fortified towns. It was surrounded by 28 towers and 8 gates according to some sources. Cherchkela is a type of Georgian candy shaped like a sausage made from the natural grape juice and different kinds of nuts. This candy is usually prepared during the harvest season in autumn for Christmas and holidays.
Video.
We had this lunch in Hotel Chatu Kashmir. The ambience is so beautiful, like it's really made for my birthday. Thank you to the staff and Nina for lighting the sparkle, which has made it more special. This is the...
Yeah. Let's see. So there one first story. This is the jars that I told you. Underground, there is a big jars. It's more than 1 ton, like 2 tons, 3 tons. And after this, they have the traditional method to press the grapes by feet. So by that way, they get the wine, and the minimum period to keep the wine inside is for 6 months. So they will keep them
6 months.
6 months. Yeah. And after that, it's good to drink already.
Oh, I see.
And they have this kind of wines. They have red wine, they had white wine, the dry one, mostly dry wine. And this is traditional, like a vodka, cha-cha, you know it, cha-cha.
Cha-cha. I just saw it in the internet.
Yeah. Come here. This is also like gems. It's for sale.
What is this?
To buy. Gems from different fruit.
Oh,
There is
gems.
one,
Yeah, I like
from this one is I think cherry. Yeah, cherry.
cherry. And this one?
Water salmon. Water lemon. This is this is murabba. خب ولی ویسی دایست رابط هم نویس چانس گنگره چانس رابط Yes, some fruits I think. And this kakali, არა ეგეთი შავიც არ არის როგორც kakali.
It's a video. Cheers, happy birthday.
How is it? You like it? This is our wines here. Try it. Oh, some food. Food.
That is so strong.
Yeah. Because some people like very strong.
Cha-cha. How it feels? Cha-cha. Turtle Lake. Yay! And it's freeze. The lake is freeze. No turtle. I broke that. Again. Do it again. It's ice. Me too. Thank you. How is the sound? Oh my God. If you just drop like this, it might break. No, still no. Hi, happy birthday!
I really enjoyed it. Hi guys, so I just came back from my trip in Signahi. So I bought this one from the Grape Wine Factory, which is the Superabi, which is an organic wine, red wine. It's kind of sweet. I did a taste test for this and it's really good. So I bought this one for my birthday and I will let my friends to taste this since they're coming here today. And they'll be arriving at around 6:30 in the evening, so they're going to taste this wine. I'm so excited for them to taste that one. And actually they also gave me this one. This is a jam. I don't know what kind of jam is this, but they gave this one for me for free. I'm so happy about this. So thank you so much. So you guys, if you're going to visit Georgia, you really have to go to Signahi City and to go to the wine factory, which is they're going to show you how they make their wine, and you'll have your chance to taste all the different kinds of wine. So I got 3 shots of different kinds of wine. So I didn't memorize what's the name of those wines, but I might say that this brand is really good. This is Superabi red rye wine. They are here. For the vlog. They are here for the vlog. This is the piece of bridge with the girls at this beach. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. The next day, finally I'm already with my friends. So our first stop is the Ananuri Castle. It was home to the Arampi feudal dynasty during the 18th century and was the staging grounds of numerous battles the Georgians both won and lost. It's a miracle that the complex still stands today given all the battles it costed. Next is we went to Gudauri ski resort and of course we didn't ski. We just enjoyed playing in the snow like a kid and took a lot of pictures. This is a place where you can enjoy skiing or paragliding if you have 300 lari and of course courage to do that.
It's nice, yes?
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Where are we, guys?
We are in Switzerland. Parang first time din naman. We're heading to the cable car. There we go. Cable car. Hey! Wow.
That one going to the top net.
You should try the tonet. Me, I'm not adventurous. Not really adventurous when it comes to those. Traveler only but not adventurous. that's it guys. See you to my next vlog in Armenia. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. See ya!